Our coin bearers, we have Isaac James Villarosa and Jasper Lucas Villarosa, together with the Bible bearer, Wayne Yao Buenaflor. Palakpakan po naman natin. We are almost 100 people inside this home. And now, our flower girls, we have Duncan Culiminada, Martha Lay Blanco, Desedi and Mikhail Oligante, and Nadine Angela Joy Aniseta. Palakpakan po natin our flower girls. It's Martha Lay Delgado. And now let's meet the special man who stood with the groom and the special lady of the bride, our best man in maid of honor, Mr. Jeremiah Plaza and Miss Cherish Ann Villarosa. Gawin natin masaya pag hindi ko na mo. Our groomsmen and bridesmaids, we have Mr. Jason Mark Plaza and Miss Michelle Villarosa. Lakasan pa po natin. Yeah. We also have Mr. Joshua Plaza and Miss Gian Ildinet Morales. Another set of best of groomsmen and bridesmaids. We have Mr. Jericho Plaza and Ms. Ariane Colin Bay. And now, our panel sponsors, Mr. Ruben Robert Lazo Jr. and Ms. Julie Ann Plaza. And now, it's time to meet our bill sponsors, Mr. Edward Elida and Ms. Jamaica May Eso. And our court sponsors, Mr. Ryan Gonzalez and Ms. Joan Gigante. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, dapat malakas ang palakpakan natin. Let's meet the proud parents of the groom, Mr. Emilio Plaza and Mrs. Lourdes Plaza. Tingnan natin kung mas malakas ang palakpakan. The proud parents of the bride, we have Mr. Edelvio Villarosa and Ms. Yelenia Villarosa. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request everybody, please stand up.